Welcome! If you want to stay updated when someone tags you on X, formerly known as Twitter, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to ensure you never miss a tag on the platform. Let's dive right in. First, open the X app on your Android device. Once you're in, look for your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Give it a tap to access your account settings. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. This will open up a menu where you can customize various aspects of your account. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy to continue. Now let's move to the Notifications section. Tap on Notifications to explore the different types of notifications you can receive. This is where the magic happens. After that, you'll want to select Preferences. Here you can adjust your notification settings to suit your needs. Tap on Push Notifications to proceed to the next step. Finally, look for the section labeled Related to You and Your Posts. Under this heading, make sure to mark Photo Tags. This will ensure that you receive notifications whenever someone tags you in a post, and that's it. You're all set to be notified whenever you're tagged on X. By following these easy steps, you'll stay connected and engaged with your friends and followers. Thanks for watching and happy tagging.